Hey guys, I'm here with Sabour from NVIDIA.
Yep.
And I'm sorry, your
Yeah,
title again is
technical marketing engineer, kind of a workflow specialist. We kind of all things multimedia and entertainment and 3D animation, editing, all that fun stuff. Yeah.
cool,
Yeah.
cool. So we're gonna go over some of the DGX, the new DGX
Yes.
features.
Yes. In fact, okay. So trying to trying to give you a little bit of a lay of the land, right? So on the right side we have the DGX Spark, and on the left side we have something a lot of creators use. It's a MacBook Pro. It's fully maxed out. It's an M4 Max with 128 gigs of RAM. This thing is a beast, but it's designed for creators, and creators have this laptop and they're comfortable with it for editing and whatnot. Now, in this situation, it's good for editing and creative workflows, but with a lot of things going into generative AI, those workflows start to suffer when it comes to the Mac Pro. So, just to kind of give you a little bit of a rundown, on the left side, we have a Comfy UI interface locally running on the MacBook Pro. And on the right side, we have the DGX Spark that's connected to the MacBook Pro, running the same exact workflow. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually run this workflow from scratch, and I'm going to go ahead and press on run.
Let me bring it closer.
Yeah, of course. I'm going to press run on the MacBook Pro, and I'm going to press run on the DGX Spark. Okay, so now you can see it's starting to go through the entire workflow, but you're going to notice that it's going to go much faster on the DGX Spark. So right now we're actually using a Flux One NVFP4 model that is optimized on our hardware. So you're actually going to see that it generates an image much faster than it did before. In about a second, we're actually going to see a new image that's going to get popped up because I just changed the prompt to be red car. So now we have a red car that's finished, right? Now it's going through the video pipeline, and you can see it's generating a video,
Yeah.
and now it's upscaling that video to 4K using NVIDIA RTX Video Super Resolution. And then once that's done, now we have a final video, right? So I can press play, and you can see, cool, we have a red car that we created, and then we had that image turned into a video with a simple prompt. That entire workflow took 38 seconds.
Yeah.
On the MacBook Pro,
Yeah, I
the first
noticed.
image hasn't even generated yet.
It's still processing.
It's still processing.
That's
It's
amazing.
still processing the first image. All said and done, the MacBook Pro is going to take roughly 8 minutes and 30 seconds to finish this entire workflow
Wow.
versus 38 seconds on the DGX Spark.
8 minutes isn't bad, but seconds, that's awesome.
It's awesome, right? And the whole idea is we don't want to change your workflows. We want to enhance them. We want to accelerate them.
Yeah.
So in this case, you throw a DGX Spark on your network. That's how I have it plugged in right now. It's not physically connected to the MacBook Pro. It lives on the network. And the added advantage is any machine and any laptop and anything that you have on your network can tap into the power of the DGX Spark and then accelerate your workflows. And that's it.
I like the way that you have it all kind of blinged out there.
Yeah, right?
It's really nice looking.
Little champagne box. Yeah.
That is awesome. So I don't know. Yeah, this is Comfy UI. So
Yep.
yesterday at the Corsair booth,
Yes.
we did a little Comfy AI as well with the same kind of workflow. It was a little more sloppy, but same kind of workflow. And they turned me into like I look like a Muppet.
Oh, that's fun.
So with furry, like it looks like
Like Kermit the Frog?
thank you.
Yeah.
I couldn't think of the name, or Fozzie or something, but
That's awesome.
it was pretty amazing. And I got to see the same thing, just basically off and on.
Yeah.
And it was just
Yeah, it's
awesome.
It's awesome to see. And again, the idea is we're not trying to change your workflows or change your weapon of choice.
Right.
We just want you to have that horsepower that you need and accelerating any workflow that you're comfortable with. So in this case, everyone knows we're Comfy. Look at that. It finally generated the first image.
Next
Yeah.
step.
Yeah. Next step. Exactly. So yeah, that's the idea. Just accelerating your creativity as much as we can, and then giving you the options and giving you plenty of different methods to get there. So in this case, DGX Spark.
Well, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
everything. The presentation was amazing.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.